Look at how intense the sunset is. Wow. But that's not why we're here. Car. Wanted to give you guys a few updates. For one, that we do have another road course event coming up. It will be August the 10th. If you want information, there will be an email linked below as far as pricing and space and everything else. It's a really good event if you've never raced before, but you've always wanted to. If you want to learn braking zones and how to hit the apex and kind of the logistics of how racetracks work and how to pass and let people pass and whatever, it's a really good opportunity. I did take the chance to take my car out, and it was an absolute blast. I don't have the bankroll being unemployed on CERB to keep it going, but next year will be a new year, and hopefully the pandemic will be behind us and I will have some tires and brakes and we'll go out and thrash around. As well as if you want to learn what your car is currently capable of, and then if you are planning mods, it's very nice to have done something with your car, so then you can then either compare track times or performance feel or grip or whatever you're doing. It's nice to actually have some recordable data to justify why you spent the money. I did road course on my new wheel setup, and it was insane. I was pulling up to 1.3 G in the corners, which was mental, and I wasn't going that fast. I wasn't that comfortable going that fast. I was nervous as all heck, and I mean, I've spent a lot of time behind the wheel, and I was more comfortable driving this thing in the snow than I was pushing it to the limits on the track. Obviously for having insurance and all the other logistics that go along with it, but just really feeling out what this car was built for. I do have new tires for the back. I'm a little scared, actually. 305/35 R20 Mickey Thompson ET Street SS, which they're just kind of known as axle breakers, and I don't want to break an axle, so I'm a little terrified to put them on. But it will fix some of the stretch tire look that I currently have going on with the 285 on the 11-inch rim. Need to get a touch-up marker for the paint and touch up my rims. The MBRP exhaust. Now, these carbon tips I wanted for a long time, and now that I've got them on there, I think they really suit the overall aesthetic of the vehicle. They're different. I want to see if I can't polish them up a little bit and maybe polish the inside, which would then require me to keep them clean, which obviously is not something I'm going to do all that often, but you never know. Beyond that, car's running good, 85,000 kilometers. I think I have a mag-ride strut going on the passenger side over here. Makes kind of a clunking sound periodically. I'm obviously not a fan of clunking sound. This is the first time I've cleaned the car up in a while. It's more or less become like a work vehicle than a performance car. I've been towing the trailer a lot and just doing different odd job stuff. But you know, that's how it goes most of the time, I guess. You buy it for one purpose and it becomes another. Obviously, with my two new front bumpers, the trade-in value of my car is so low that I might as well just tow the trailer with it and get it paid off and enjoy it, because nobody's going to give me anything for it at this point. So that's how she goes. It's a bit of an update. I don't know. I don't know what to do with the car next. I've kind of run out of things to share. I'm saving up for a new camera, which is not just for the car, but for my creative sanity. I felt a little bit tapped out with some of my my gear, so we're gonna up that. I've been trying to get the drone fixed. After I crashed it in the fall there, letting my brother fly it, I can't get it to fly right, and it's really messing things up. But the racing's been fun to film, and it's been fun to get out with the guys. And I mean, even if you want to just come out and hang out and experience what it's like to be at the track for a day, definitely reach out, because there's so many facets to the racing, and we understand that not everybody wants to take their car out and fly around at 200 kilometers an hour and experience. As long as you're in the same household because of COVID, right? Because we're all in the same household, you can do ride-alongs and different things if you want to go out and experience the track. I am no warrior. I did not just jump in my car and take off like a bat out of hell. I was in multiple cars with multiple drivers, and I got to experience multiple different setups, which gave me the confidence to then take my car out and start really awful slow. And because it's a private track day, there's so few cars that at times you get your own track. There's nobody else out there. It's just you having a good time, letting it rip. That's it. Just a few quick updates on the car and me and the channel. Channel's been growing real slow. I don't really know what's going on. It's like YouTube's suppressing, which I don't understand, but whatever. It is what it is. More content to come. I'm really hoping to host at least one car meet this season. I know I haven't hosted any yet. I don't know, the whole COVID stuff's kind of been a pain in the keister when it comes to the social requirements that I usually put upon myself. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you're all having a hell of a summer. The weather's been amazing. So until next time, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.